In this lecture, we will learn how to select materials for the parts we are modeling. To show that, let's go ahead and create a cube with a side of 5 inches. So I'll select the top plane and I will create a square with a 5-inch side. We're going to have a relation and then apply a feature for 5 inches. Now we have a cube. Let's go ahead and try specifying a structural material for this cube. If we look at the design tree on the left, we will be able to see a point for materials. If we right-click on it, the first choice will be Edit Material. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now we get this window with a long list of materials. So if I select AISI 304 steel, you will get information about the properties of this kind of steel. You will get information like the mass density, the tensile strength, the thermal expansion coefficient, and so on. Also, you can choose which unit you want the properties to show. So currently, those properties are shown in the SI unit or the System International Units. If we click in this drop-down menu, we can choose the English units, the metrics, and the SI unit with megapascal. So if we choose the English units, you will see that the units here changes as well. Assuming we want to select this material, we can just click Apply and then we close the window, and you will notice that the appearance of the cube have changed in color to look more like the material we just selected. Let's try changing the material again. So we go to the design tree, right click on the material and select Edit Material. This time let's go down and go to the wood materials. So expand the wood and then we can select the oak. Again, you'll get the material properties here. If you click Apply and then you close, you're going to see that the appearance of the cube have changed to look like an oak. Also, the design tree specifies that we are using oak for this material.